The birds are very hungry. Snow and ice in Connecticut. Buried. Look at my flag. You'd never know I shoveled 3 times. It's all sleet, ice. Oh. See the bird feet? I don't think the squirrels can get to me. It's too deep. Check this out. Oh, what do we got here? I was just going to show you that head sticking out, and that little white-throated sparrow stepped on it. She's totally buried. All you see is the tip of the head of that statue I have. Cardinals always travel with the white-throated sparrows. It's so interesting. It's snowing again. They look so pretty on the snow. Look at that. Perfect. Thank you. It's a white-throated sparrow. The Song Sparrow's been here all day. She's my favorite. Okay, they're waiting to eat. And my fingers are freezing. There we go. A white-throated sparrow. White-throated sparrow. They're here in the winter. There's the Song Sparrow right there. You beautiful bird, you. Perfect name, too. She can sing a song. She's beautiful. Snowbirds. Song Sparrow here all year. White-throats migrate back south. Ciao.